Wait, did you think October was too late to start planting warm season vegetables? Well, think again. Your Zone 7B garden could be on the verge of its best harvest yet, and it all starts with what you plant right now. So don't pack up your tools just yet. In fact, October might just be the perfect time for a thriving, bountiful garden that lasts well into the fall. Want to know how? Let's dive in. Hey, gardeners! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about 10 incredible warm season vegetables that you can plant in October in Zone 7B. These veggies will give your garden a burst of life, even as the weather cools down. So, grab a notebook and let's get into it. 1. Spinach. First up, spinach. This leafy green is perfect for October planting. Spinach loves cool nights and mild days, and you'll be harvesting tender leaves in just a few weeks. It's packed with nutrients and keeps growing even after light frosts. 2. Radishes. Radishes are your fast-growing, quick-win crop. Plant them in October, and in just 4-6 weeks, you'll have crisp, peppery radishes ready for salads, snacks, or pickling. They thrive in cooler temps, making fall their prime time. 3. Carrots. Carrots may surprise you, but fall is ideal for planting them. Cooler weather helps develop their sweetness, and they grow well in loose, well-drained soil. By the time winter hits, you'll have a garden full of delicious, crisp carrots. 4. Garlic. October is garlic's time to shine. Plant it now and let it rest through the winter. By late spring or early summer, you'll have plump, aromatic bulbs. Plus, garlic helps repel pests, so it's a win-win for your garden. 5. Kale. Kale absolutely loves the cooler months. It actually becomes sweeter after a frost. Planting kale in October guarantees you a hearty green that will produce all winter long. It's a superfood that just keeps on giving. 6. Lettuce. Want fresh salads well into November? Plant lettuce. It thrives in cooler temperatures and will keep producing as long as it doesn't get too cold. There's nothing better than harvesting your own fresh, crisp lettuce straight from the garden. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli may be a cold season veggie, but if you plant it in early October, it has time to establish before heavy frosts. Broccoli loves cool weather, and the heads will grow beautifully, giving you a nutritious, delicious harvest. 8. Beets. Beets are another root veggie that love the fall weather. October planting gives you those deep, earthy flavors that only come from beets. And don't forget the greens are edible too. 2 crops in 1. 9. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is not only colorful but super easy to grow. It tolerates cold and even light frosts, so planting it in October means you'll have a reliable crop to enjoy throughout the fall and beyond. Plus, it adds a pop of color to your garden. 10. Turnips. Last but not least, turnips. These underrated veggies are perfect for fall planting. You can eat both the roots and the greens, so they're an excellent addition to your October lineup. They mature quickly and love the cooler temps. And there you have it, 10 warm season vegetables that will keep your Zone 7B garden thriving through the cooler months. Just because summer's over doesn't mean your garden has to stop producing. If you get these plants in the ground now, you'll enjoy a fall full of fresh, homegrown veggies. So what are you waiting for? Grab those seeds and let's keep gardening? If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. And comment below, what are you planting this fall in your garden? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening.